Good afternoon and welcome to Total View. My name is Brian Wallach. My partner and I, Nicholas Van Deventer, created this project here at the University of Nevada, Las Vegas in the Computer and Electrical Engineering departments. This is our capstone senior design project for the EE497 and EE498 courses. Our project here involves a completely automated smart mirror device. So this device is normally wall mounted, but today we have it sitting here just so it's lower for testing purposes and we can display some of the functionalities to you. So the device involves a 24 by 36 tempered glass two-way mirror. So right now you can't see it, but behind this mirror there is a large 40-inch display that comes on and shines through the mirror once it's running. This device involves a completely user-friendly, non-user involved boot up mode, meaning that all you do is plug the device in and it involves no user inputs at all. So in order to do this, we have two peripherals mounted behind the glass here that you can't see. One of them is a PIR motion sensor that we're going to detect motion with, and the second one is a Raspberry Pi camera that we're going to use for facial recognition for the profiles of the mirror. My partner Nick's going to step in here and display some of the more of the boot up functionalities and a little more about the mirror.
Okay, so like Brian said, this entire process is automated. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and plug this in, and we're going to talk about it as it boots up. So here we have the Pi booting up. What's going to happen once we get through this loading stage and the operating system loads? We've got this terminal window loaded here. Now this is a background process, and it's designed to run once the operating system has loaded. And it's necessary because the Raspberry Pi camera does not load until after the operating system is loaded. So if you do anything as part of the boot up, you're not going to catch the camera, and that's going to cause you a big problem on the facial recognition. This takes a little while to do. That's our motion sensor. So here we go. So we're back in the motion sensor designed to save the life of the monitor. We don't want the monitor on when nobody's here, you know, lowering the life of our monitor. So this is a little bit of a process. It's loading the facial recognition library and the OpenCV library. OpenCV is used to detect objects. The facial recognition is used to detect me or Brian. Currently there's 2 profiles loaded into this. It can hold as many profiles as necessary, but what we're going to show you is mine and Brian's profile that's currently loaded. So once it detects me, I'm going to step out and let Brian step in. Will you hit that light, please? Now it's grabbing me. I'm going to step out. You saw the green box pop up. You're going to see it grab Brian with a green box pop up around his face. Get a little closer. Okay, so you saw the box around Brian's face. Now let's go ahead and get back in here. And now we're going to load the mirror. So there's a count going on in the background, and the reason that happened so quickly is because there was a count stored already in matched faces between Brian and I. If it happens 20 times in a row, we consider that successful and we load the application. That's it for this segment. That's just a display of the boot up process, and in the next segment we're going to display the application itself.